Hey traders out there in Traderland, the markets, boom! Man, they're going up, 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 up. My name is E7 here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition video. Good through Sunday, July 8th, 2018, and I'm glad you're here with us. If you don't know anything about us, been doing this a long time. We've been in business 10 years. I've been trading in the live markets 20. We are trading mentors, and that's what we do. Whole purpose of this video that I'm going to be showing you and all these buys, calls, and whatnot is strictly for one purpose, and that is to build your confidence in saying, maybe I could use a mentor, and I choose Grok Trade. There you have it. Here we are looking at the markets. The markets had an explosive move to the upside. NASDAQ up 1.56%, and everybody else up nicely here. Financials up also 0.5%. US dollar down a fraction. Crude oil up 1.2%. Gold down, silver down, and VIX dropping 11%. That's a huge drop. We're now at 13. And we have Bitcoin here. Bitcoin up at this moment 0.5%, and GBTC up 1.8%. And that is where you can get into cryptocurrency if you'd like to in your own account. Anyways, take a look here at the markets. Why am I starting on the Qs? I want to start on the spiders. Let's go there. As you guys know, we called a buy back here. Or do you know the second? When was the last time I did a video? I think it was on this. I can't even remember last time I did a video. This week has messed me up completely with the 4th of July. I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th of July and you guys were safe and got to spend time with everybody. It's great. Anyway, we got a buy here. We're going higher. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is over. We had a sell here. So we hit our head. We did a sell. We did drop after the sell call on the weekly. This week we gapped down below the 20-week moving average, and I really thought we were going to sell off and start to drop there. We didn't do that. We rallied back higher. So it's a little bull pullback. Now you have a bullish engulfing pattern, but we're right at a major area of resistance. I am now going to call it a buy. Now, it's a little risky. The reason it's risky is because we're at resistance. Every time we hit this resistance, let me show it to you. Every time we hit this line of resistance, we dropped. We get near it there, we drop. We hit it, we drop. But because we popped here, but the volume is so light, I'm going to put a buy there. But again, this could blow up on me. This could immediately pull back. But there's my buy call. Let's take a quick look at the diamonds. I'm going to put a buy call on the weekly diamonds. NASDAQ. I already have a buy on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is going up. Maybe, sure, yeah, no sell there. So that's good. Let's see, Russell's. Oh, I still have a buy here. See this? Right. Up, 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 up. Boom. So we're good with that. That's looking good. Financials is going to get a buy. So we had a sell on financials, drop in. This is all weekly chart. You can see the W there, vaguely. Weekly chart. And US dollar, I got a buy on it. Look how we keep going up, selling into the string. Going up, selling into the string. Going up, selling into the string. But it's still a high base, guys. US dollar, I still have a buy on it. I'm going to stay with that. But it ended on a really weak note here on Friday. Crude oil, I had a buy on it. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm going to stay with my buy. This is weekly charts. Gold. Gold finally gets a buy on the weekly. Look at this. Guys, we had a sell on gold from 125. Now we're at 118. We're going to put a buy on gold right now. Silver, right there, we gapped down to a major. See this line that we have at 1496? See this? We gapped right to it. Look at that. You can't even hardly see the bottom part of that. And the reason it did so is because that was the low right there. That low is where the market makers opened it up right there because they knew it would find buyers, but it triggered a lot of sellers at the right out of the gates. It went down. People bought up that strength, and there it goes. I fully expect that to go higher. There's our buy. There's our buy call. On a silver, VIX, I had a buy on VIX. Now we have a bearish engulfing. It's going to get a sell. Again on the weekly. Bitcoin, cool. Bitcoin gets a buy on the weekly. I'm a little late. I should have done it on the tweezer bottom. We had a bullish harami reversal pattern with we had a hammer, a bullish harami, and a tweezer bottom. That should have been there. I'm late to the party. I'm putting it there. Okay, GBTC gets a buy also. So we had a sell, went down, and there's the buy. All right, let's get back to the dailies and quickly look at the diamonds and do that. So we have a buy on the diamonds heading up. The NASDAQ have a buy on that. It's heading up. It's looking really good. I mean, why is the markets going up right now? I think one of the biggest excuses is the jobless report. It came in for last month. It should have come in at 200,000. Increased jobs came in at 213,000, which was a nice unexpected pop. That was good. But I think an underlying bigger thing is our trade deficit. We increased last month by 6.6%, which is a 19-month. I mean, we haven't had such an increase in 19 months. I mean, so the trade deficit is, or decrease, however I'm saying that. It's, I mean, we're doing really well as far as the fundies are concerned, and our economic scorecard is concerned here in the U.S. Everything is just looking good. The problem is we're at a 9-month run and a 9-year run. We're way overextended, but I'm telling you, man, the markets take a 6-month outlook. So whatever you're seeing here in the markets now is our sentiment 6 months out on average. So I'm telling you, as soon as we think that we've peaked, you're going to start to see a drop, but you won't see the fundamental changes take place for another 6 to 8 months. So I'll give a little inside baseball talk there. So that's what you can look at. So that's the NASDAQ looking good. Look at this, man. We had this gap down, run up right above this area, and boom, it took off. This is our daily charts. Again, you see the day. 1D means 1 day. 1 day. Financials, put a buy on it, but this is a bearish, look at this, a bearish pennant. Bearish pennant. So I got a buy on it, but this could blow up on us. If this bearish pennant breaks down, especially below this 26, this XLF, if we get down below $26, woe to this market, okay? There's your one warning sign. US dollar daily, we had a rising wedge. We call it a sell, and look at the US dollar daily chart breaking down below the 20-day moving average. This area support, just nasty. Nasty, get rid of that. Nasty. Crude oil, put a sell on it, but crude oil just got a buy. There's the daily chart, another buy there. Gold daily, already had a buy on it. Ooh, boy, what a nasty little drop, and this popped up. It's okay. Silver had a buy on it, nasty little drop, and it rebounded. VIX, put a sell on it, and it's crashing and burning. Very, very nice. I mean, we were up here, guys, at one point over 19. Now we're just above 13 on the VIX. Bitcoin, have a buy on Bitcoin down here. We got a high base. Bitcoin's a buy, guys. I mean, I've had it as a buy at 6,200. We're at 6,500, almost 6,600. Look for it to go up. And hey, just as a disclosure, I own a lot of this stuff. Like, I own Bitcoin, just as full disclosure there. GBTC, where's my buy? Oh, I was gonna say, where's my buy at? Oh, so it'd been better to have it there, but it was too risky. Had to wait for it to pop. There it is. So the buy, even at the end of the day, is at $10.20, and we're at $10.23. So right now it's a high base, so look for that to go higher. Okay, let's look at some stocks. Guys, have you ever travel to Vegas with us in August? Believe it or not, I'm asking you to do so. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. A lot of you guys, every one of you, need a trading mentor, and we're here to do that for you. Go to groktrade.com, click on Vegas Mentorship, and that will give you all the information that you need. Matter of fact, I'm paying for airline tickets, so go check that out. Okay, so let's look at some stocks of interest. Dow 30. We're just gonna run. I'm just gonna hit a couple of these. Apple was up 1.5% almost. We got a buy on it. It's going higher. These are my buy and sell calls, guys. You can see these, and it's this is just to let people know our caliber. And doesn't mean that we're trading these, because just like I shared with one of our mentor students, is we look for trades that are highly probable, and that's what we do ourselves in our own account, and this is what we teach in our mentoring program. And these are less probable, these calls that I'm sharing with you, for a number of reasons. We look at a lot of different things when we're making an actual call on what we are trading, but it gives you an idea. Even if you traded this simple way, you just make a significant amount of money. So, and these are public calls, and you can go back to all my videos in the past and look at my, for credibility, accountability. Go back and look at where I've exactly placed these, and I think you'll be impressed. Anything else here? Whoa, GE up 3. Oh, GE now gets a buy. That hammer, wow. I'll tell you, this hammer, it was tempting, but it needed to get over this 20-day moving average, and it finally did. So now it gets a buy. Holy smokes, that's a nice run. Everybody else is kind of lackluster. Intel's up 1%. I have a buy on that. It is going up. Anything else? McDonald's up more than 1%. Oh, it busted through. So this is a jab. I call it a death hook. That can get really bullish, guys. So there's my buy call on that. Anybody else? Microsoft of 1.4. Already had a buy on that. It's going up above moving averages. That's really good. Everybody else is a big yawn. WBA. Walgreens has a big buy. We're filling the gap. We're at resistance. Ooh, boy, this could be a sell area. So something to be watching for. A sell area. And I have 2 buys. So I have a buy here, and I didn't put a sell here because earnings got me. So I don't need a second buy there. I mean, I'll keep it, but I already have one. So it's an oxymoron. It's redundant. That's the word I'm looking for. It's redundant to have 2 of them there. So I'm just, oh boy, do I want to, so now that I explained it, I'm just sharing with you. Even though I'm taking it off and it does show that it went up afterwards, it's just, I don't have a sell, and I don't know if I put a sell. Unless my sell disappeared. If my sell disappeared up here because I sold it because it did drop, then that would be a buy. Anyway, there it is. That's just what I have. If I wasn't so lazy, I'd go back to my own videos and look for those. What's this? This is Walgreens. Why am I even looking at this? I still have a buy on it. It's going up, but we're at support. But that's not what I will look at. Let's go to tech stocks and see if we can find any fun ones here. Fun ones. Where you looked at Apple. AMD up 5.55%. Wow, that gets a big fat buy. Holy smokes, that one was that's a nice run. Baba up to 3%. That gets a buy. Bam. That's good. Baidu up 3%. Already had a buy. Boom. Boom. Looking good. Anybody else? Facebook up 2.4%. Man. There it is. I should have had it yesterday. Should have had it yesterday. I missed it. So I'm a day late. I'm a day late to that one. Google up 1%. Have a buy on that one. It busted up through that line. That's really important to me. Google with an L. Boom. It's looking good. Good. GoPro up 5%. Are you kidding? And there it is. Boom. A buy. Bam. Well, Mark likes to say bam for the downside, boom for the up. I'll stay with that. A lot of times you get an up, and a big up, you'll get a big down. So remember me saying that. GoPro has a very big risk of a big red candlestick coming in next. Almost want to take profits on this one. Almost want to do it. Netflix up 2.5%, gets a buy. Netflix backed by Citi. Nvidia up 2%. And that gets a buy. It's releasing. Still below a couple of key moving averages. Oracle up 1.3%. Already had a buy and it's looking good. PayPal up 1.6%. Got a buy and it's looking good. It's coming into resistance. Red Hat barely made 1%. And I'm going to stay with my sell on that. I got a sell up here at 171. We're sitting at 137. Shopify up 2.7. Are you kidding? That's a good pop. Boom. There it is. Snap 2.4. Have a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell for the time being. It needs to get over that line if I'm even remotely interested. Twitter 3.5. Ooh, I already have a buy on that one. So we are long at $30.50 and we're at 46.65. What is that percentage? Put that down in the notes for me. So anyway, July 4th was a fantastic time with my family. It was good. I put my flag out front. I'm a proud American. Got my flag out there. And yeah, I had family and friends, hung out, watched some fireworks, did some cool stuff. And yeah, that's it. That's it. President Trump, Freudian slip, left me a voicemail message. And you know what? I'll put it here and you guys can listen to it yourself. Enjoy. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye.
Hi, D7. It's me, your president, Donald Trump. You never seem to take my calls. That's okay. You probably don't have a call guy. I have a call guy who takes all my calls. Anyways, great news. I went to groktrade.com to sign up for your mentoring in Vegas. Vegas, baby. I want to learn how to trade because my stock guy quit. He cannot turn my stocks upside down anymore, so they're all in the dumps. My trades are getting killed. I need to stop the bleeding. But I have a complaint. Your dates are August 18th, 19th, 20th. Do you not realize those are the hottest days of the year in Vegas? Vegas is always hot, but this is fantastically hot. It'll be so hot, we'll be sweating like a politician on election day. Get it? Get it? I don't sweat, but I really want to learn how to trade, so I got registered. It'll be great for you to have me there. Be fantastic. Mark the Meerkat and D7, you guys rock. Although I am gonna mentor you on me, how to mentor me. You two have what it takes. It's great. Just want to say how lucky you are to have me in your mentoring class. You'll love it. I'm great. I'm fantastic. I'm a great student when I want to be. One more thing. I really want to know, will Grok will be there too? I hear she will be. Just asking for a friend. All right, guys. Have a great day. D7. Get a call guy. Talk to you soon. Bye.